great outdoors, forever free.
Hello, cousin. I am Uncle Mike, your favorite YouTuber's favorite uncle, and this is year 3, week 20 of my YouTube channel. And after healing up from gallbladder surgery, we are now talking about simple machines again, and my favorite, which is the pulley. And the pulley itself really doesn't do much. In year 3, week 17, just before my surgery, I did a video on the inclined plane where I used a pulley so I could pull myself up the inclined plane. But the pulley really didn't do anything except for redirect the force so I could pull myself up the inclined plane. But the amazing thing about the pulley is that it is also dependent on configuration, meaning how you configure the pulley. So if you take a second pulley and you then change the configuration, what you can then do is you can actually create your own mechanical advantage. So what did I do? Well, I used 2 pulleys and I reconfigured them such that there were 2 ropes that were actually pulling me up the hill or the inclined plane, which reduced the force then that I had to pull in half. That's the beauty of simple machines and the pulley. Remember, we're trying to create less force over a greater distance because the work stays the same. The work is the work, but by changing the configuration and the amount of pulleys, we can create a mechanical advantage of 2, which means we reduce the force that we have to apply in half, but yes, that doubles the distance that we have to apply the force to create the same amount of work. And yes, you can add more and more pulleys to make the force less. You can add so many pulleys that you could actually create it where you could actually lift yourself up, which would be amazing. And I have used pulleys, everything from sailing, you see them all over on sailboats, not only to redirect the force so you can pull on all the lines, but also in multiple pulley configurations such that we can increase then, or decrease actually, the amount of force that we have to apply to do a certain amount of work. And with the wind, there is a whole bunch of work that the wind is doing on the sails and on the boom and other pieces of the sailboat. So that's one reason why I really like the pulley, is because it's dependent on you to create the configuration and to actually create how much mechanical advantage you want. And that is amazing. Remember, cousin, thumbs up because you are amazing. I'm your favorite YouTuber's favorite uncle. I am Uncle Mike.
I'm okay.